I'm Remle, and I'm a mother of three. I was born and raised in Honolulu, Hawaii on Oahu. My journey began in 2006. I've been through a lot. My husband had a really fast and fierce cancer battle, and he passed away in 2007 after 8.5 months. And I think just the loss was when things started coming in with my brain, probably with the PTSD. And life just happened after that. You know, I don't know if I ever fully finished grieving. I moved into some really hard spaces in my life and with my kids, just as a young widow and single mom. And everything kind of snowballed. You know, life just keeps going and you just get pummeled. And it kind of culminated in 2016 when I got in a massive car accident. And I didn't know at the time, but I had a concussion for about a year and post-concussion for 2.5 years. And then when I finally got an MRI, I had a traumatic brain injury. You start with a brain scan, and they really are able to read where you're at. You know, the organ that they're working on, they actually can visually see. And then you go in and you sit in a very comfortable chair, and the rooms are beautifully designed, and it feels like a spa. And it's just these moments of just being by yourself and just being able to still yourself and have this work done, and you do nothing but sit there. And all it is they put a paddle on different parts of your head, and you just sit there for a few minutes, and it feels really similar to like a TENS machine. You can hear this, you know, it kind of in different rhythms. It was pretty immediate. Like my sleep just came right, you know, and it's after years and years of not being able to sleep and my brain just revving so high every single day, 24 hours a day. And it finally was just like put to rest, you know, and that was like the beginning where I really saw fast changes. The brain treatments really resolved so many things that I had done enough therapy, but it only took me so far. And it was the brain treatments that kind of just took like working with my actual brain rather than the symptoms of it, you know, with the occupational therapy or physical therapy. It kind of went to the root source and just kind of reprogrammed everything, so I was able to really heal. Yeah, and I saw dramatic differences. I would describe Dr. Kiefer as brilliant. I think he constantly has ideas that are really motivated by helping people. He really is about seeing people heal and change and just find their full potential. Finding Dr. Kiefer has changed our life. I really feel indebted to him.